Okay, so this guy over here was 223 Game King, 55 grain. Those are the hollow points. This one would have been an FMJ. Notice that it is not torn apart nearly as much. And the soft point didn't do much of anything. I am curious. We got a nice little hole, a nice little hole. Clearly it did not expand in the water. The 300 blackout, I don't know. I appear to have missed twice. So I don't know if I'm not zeroed properly with that ammo, or, you know, it's a red dot and it's not the best for 100 yards. So I very well could have completely just flubbed it, but we will repeat that one in the future. And then the 265s are exploded. Clearly, you know, you step up a notch, it's a whole other category. So going forward, I will reshoot the 300 blackout and we will do the pistol. Say hi. Oof. Oof. Oof.